Alright, so the first step to install Proton VPN on any Fire Stick is to install the app from the Amazon store. You need to go to the Find option and then hover to the search bar and click on it. Here I'm going to type in Proton, so let's see what pops up on the bottom. Here it is, you need to click on Proton VPN. Now you'd see Proton VPN app under Apps and Games, so click on that. Wait a few seconds until you see the download screen, so go ahead and click on Get. Wait a few seconds until the Proton VPN app is downloaded. Now before you open the app, click the Home button on your Fire Stick remote and choose the Applications icon from far right corner. Now find the Proton VPN app, but before clicking it, select the Options button on your remote and select Move to Front. This way, Proton VPN app will be at the front in the App section. Once you open the app, click on the Sign In option. You can only sign in with Proton VPN from your mobile device or a computer by visiting this link, and then after that you will need to enter this code. I'm going to open this link on my iPhone. Now select Create Account if you don't already have an account. You don't have to pay anything as it has a free version, so scroll down and enter your email address. Once done, click Sign Up for free and then select Continue with Free VPN. Now finally click on Start using Proton VPN. Now set up your password or choose from the one suggested by the app and click Continue. Now that you have signed up, open the Proton VPN link once again and sign in with your account. Now finally it asks you to enter the code, so I'm going to put in here and press Verify Code. Once the device is connected, you'll see the Proton VPN interface appears. You can see it written clearly on each country whether that server is free or not. So for starters, I'll connect to the US server. To set up the connection, press OK. Once the US server is connected, you'll see your IP address changes.